Hi guys, welcome back to Ali Care. Okay, all right, I have this challenge going on and I know guys you've been waiting for this video and it upload late, but I want you to know that I don't just do YouTube as I tell you before, right? I have to work. Okay, so it's kind of hard, and it is hard work because I have to finish work, do the video, come up with a video, edit it, upload it, so it's not easy. And I do all this by myself, right? Of course my son will help me hold the camera most of the time, so but otherwise from that I have to do all of this, and sometimes I have clients and I can't turn away the clients. So please understand if the video come up a little late, but I will definitely put up a video every day. If it might come up late, but I will still put up, alright? And yeah, so I know you see my topic, right? So ladies, I know these are uncomfortable topics that people don't like to talk about, but it's natural things that happen, and it's not because you have if somebody see that video here and say, oh, because she take enough man, that's why she have a loose vagina. Hell no, nothing like that. Just like how a woman can gain weight on her stomach and her stomach stretch, right? Our stomach stretch, the elasticity in the vagina can also stretch, right? Naturally, depends on the skin type that you have. Also for male, just in case a male is listening this video, if the man put on a lot of weight in his tummy area, his penis can get shorter. I'll do a next video on that definitely when I do the part 2 of how to get your penis bigger, right? So if you notice that video, look back on it. I think it was the second video I do of the since I start the challenge video, right? You can just look at it, how to get your penis bigger. You will see that it's a part 1, so there is a part 2 to come, right? So enough about penis because we're talking about vagina. So I don't want anybody watch this video and think that the woman because she have baby, why should have a loose vagina, right? Just like our body deteriorate day by day, right? And we need to exercise to keep it active. There are some exercise that you can do that will naturally help, and when having sex there is an exercise you can do when having sex. This is something I know for a fact that work when having sex, right? So I tried that one a lot when I used to have sex, right? Am I still having sex? Well, I leave that for next time. Alright, but yes, I tried this one when I'm having sex and my person penetrates me. What I'll do, I'll use my muscles to squeeze him. And he made me think that I'm doing it because I want to please him, but pity him and know someone tighten it too, and yeah, I squeeze him to make him feel good, right? So squeeze him. Just you have to do the top position though, right? And then you do like you're doing a squat and squeeze him. But that's not the remedy though, you know, guys. I'm just telling you a next one that you can do. Just squeeze him, right? It's like what I do in my hand. Yeah, just squeeze him while doing it, and that one work, okay? And in Jamaica they call it quint it, if you can quint it, right? So you can practice that without, you can go on the bed and practice that. There is a next name for it that is well known in the world, and it's called Vagina exercise, right? Okay, without further ado, let me tell you something, guys. I give healthy topics on my channel. So I know you don't see any makeup videos yet, you don't see any nails videos yet, and a lot of hairstyle videos yet. Trust me, everything is going into sequence. I like to do things in order, right? So before I give you makeup, I want you to know to take care of your skin. I want you to know to take care of your body before I give you things that will damage your body. Because even bleaching the hair, you know that you're pre-damaging your hair, but you need to know to take care of that, right? So if you like this video, show me some support and press the subscribe button, because trust me, this channel is gonna go far away, right? So you don't want to miss out on anything that I have to say, and everything that I have to say. I'm not a doctor, so I'm not gonna tell you that, okay, listen, me don't go doctor. But if you're at home and you're with your family, you can watch my video, because even though the topics are kind of, tense, very tense, right? You want to get solution. This is the channel. You can open it and see remedies that you can try before consulting a doctor. Now, however, this remedy that I'm going to give you, it have no side effect, but you can see signs, right, of medical issue that need attention, or issues that need medical attention, right? So the issues that you will see, right, if you see that your discharge getting heavier, if you start to feeling itchy, it means that you had an infection before you started this remedy. And let me tell you something, it's not bad for a woman to know that she have an infection and don't know, right? That's why we need to see our gynecologist actually every 6 months. I recommend every 6 months because that's what I do. The lubricants that we use, a lot of things, they have things in it, and you know, inserting there. And remember, that is the most sensitive part of the body. Sometimes what you eat too can give you infection. And did you know that some medication can give you vaginal infection? Some medication can break down the wall of your vagina. So ladies, do you like my videos? Comment below, no man. Comment below, and also subscribe, right? Subscribe, okay? Now, the remedy is the old time what do I call it, our old time solutions that I see people use back in the day. So you have 2 of them, so I'm only going to tell you that the one that I know work. I used to hear people say they get cake soap. I don't know if overseas people know, and they call it blue bomber soap. Drop it in the warm water and steam their vagina, and that work. And I'm not going to recommend the soap because the soap, you know, too much soap and grease going up there, so I'm not going to recommend the soap. But people I know tried it. I hear people tried it back in the days, and when I asked my mommy for some remedies that she knows and so forth, she told me about that people use right after they have baby and want to have sex. Especially some women, when they have children, you know, they can't wait the 6 weeks to have sex again. That's why some ladies have baby right back on one another. And men, don't judge them. And nice, here, yeah, do something right. So them can't resist you. So anyway, the right and safer way, and it also detect if you have any vaginal infection, is get a pan of water, right? You can steam it and then use the water to wash it. So squeeze lemon in the water, and also salt. Squeeze lemon and salt in the water, right? So lemon, salt, and warm water, and you're good to go, girls. It will always keep it tight. You can do it once a week or twice, and that's something that you have to really continue doing it, but it depends on how small you want it to be, if you know what I mean, right? And remember to do that squatting exercise, or you understand, right? So if you like this video, subscribe, share it with your partner. Men, if you're watching this, it's nothing wrong if you share it with your ladies. These are things that we as couples and people need to talk about. It's our body. There is nothing to feel imperfect about, okay? Please subscribe. And without further ado, I know you was going to say it, you know, how she not talk about nothing in the video, Anyway, am I going to spell Alicare in this video? Hell no, I'm not going to spell Alicare in this video. I'm sorry, guys, okay? But I'm going to give a little clue in this video. Please write it down, and that clue is 10. Please write down this 10 because it will become helpful someday. 10. All right. Thank you, guys.